mugging you.
Why?
Because I can. Damn, chain got stuck. Mugging you.
Why? What did I do?
I don't know, I'm just mugging you.
Ouch, you hit my foot.
I'm sorry for hitting your foot. Now get moving. Move.
Where?
To the couch.
Okay.
Ouch! Ow!
Well, you're a very nice mugger.
Shut up.
Hit your own self.
I'll kill you.
Do it.
I'll kill you. Just give me his foot together. His foot together. Yeah, lay there. He'll kill you now. Now that I only have one chain, I can swing it like this and hopefully not hit the ceiling. You're not dead yet. Die. I'll leave him on you. Die. I killed her and I mugged her.